Hello and welcome to this lecture on aggregate functions. Aggregate functions are used to calculate values in a T-SQL query. So with aggregate function, you can calculate values in a T-SQL query and returns a single value. So when aggregate functions are used in a T-SQL query, they will return a single value. The values returned when aggregate functions are used will be a single value. SQL Server has several built-in aggregate functions, but in this section, we'll be looking at a few of them. The ones we'll be looking at are the count function, which is used to return the number of rows. We'll be looking at the AVG, which returns the average of the value. The max returns the largest value. The mean returns the smallest value, while the sum returns the sum. So there are several instances where aggregate functions can come in handy. For example, you can use them in calculating the averages on a student grade or summing up values for a sales total. You can also use them for looking or checking for the highest or lowest values in a set of records. We will be looking at each of these aggregate functions listed here in separate lectures with examples.